Vehicle noise is the bane of my existence, and same with the person that owns this vehicle. That can drive a man crazy. The subject vehicle is a first-gen 2005 Ford Explorer Sport Trac. My plan of attack is to remove sway bar components one at a time until I isolate the squeaks and use lubrication to eliminate noise.
I've isolated one of these squeaks from this end link. I can feel the vibration in it. I'm going to knock that one out first, quiet that down, and then find the next one. Starting with the driver's side end link, I've started removing this bolt, and I'm going to remove the end link and then articulate the suspension and see if there's noise is reduced. You can hear it squeaking as I'm taking this off. So I'm taking off the upper side of the link, and there's a clip here that keeps you from having to reach that nut in the back. The nut's integrated into the clip, so I don't have to reach the back of it. I can just take this off easily from this side. So I put some anti-seize on here just to prevent corrosion, but it also helps to lubricate. And so now it rotates freely. It wasn't rotating freely before. This one's not binding, but we'll put a little bit in there just to make sure it's not causing any squeaking as well. The source of the noise is definitely the end links. I've taken that off. The upper side was making noise, but also the sway bar itself. And I'm going to remove these bushings that hold the sway bar on. I'm going to grease around that, put some synthetic grease on that, and that'll definitely quiet this thing down.
After removing the bolts that attach the sway bar to the axle, I removed the rubber bushing and applied anti-seize to the bar beneath the bushing. Alternatively, you can use synthetic bearing grease, and all of these items are linked in the description of this video. Reassembly is the reverse of disassembly, and all the suspension squeaks in this Sport Trac have been eliminated. If you continue to have suspension squeaks, they might be caused by the bushings in the shackle or the leaf spring, which are not covered in this video.